Hello friends, so today we will learn question from the biology portion, that particularly from the environmental issues. So question number 1, which of the following gas is primarily responsible for greenhouse effect? So it is CO2, carbon dioxide. Next one, what is the primary cause of acid rain? So sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, these are the main component which causes acid rain. These react with water vapor to form the sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Next one, which of the following is a consequence of deforestation? The removal of forest is called deforestation. So it is soil erosion. Next one, eutrophication is primarily caused by which of the following? So it is caused by excessive use of fertilizer. Eutrophication occurs when water bodies receive excessive nutrients, particularly phosphorus and nitrogen, from fertilizers, leading to the algal blooms that deplete the oxygen in the water and harm the aquatic life. Next one, what is the main effect of ozone depletion in the stratosphere? So it is increased ultraviolet radiation, which can cause skin cancer, cataract, and harm ecosystem. Next one, the term biomagnification refers to the accumulation of toxic substance in food chains. Option number B is the right one. Biomagnification occurs when toxic like mercury or DDT accumulate, means deposit or इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं in organism at higher trophic level in a food chain, often leading to the harmful effects on top predator including the human beings. Next, which of the following is a renewable source of energy? So except solar energy, all are non-renewable sources of energy. So option number C is correct one. Next, what is the main cause of increase in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere? So it is due to the combustion of fossil fuel. So option number C is the right one. Which of the following is a significant contributor to the loss of biodiversity? So it is habitat destruction. Option number A. Next, the process by which water vapor turns into liquid water is called condensation. Next, which of the following pollutant can lead to the formation of smog? So particulate matter, it reacts with other pollutants and leads to the formation of smog. Next, the primary purpose of the Kyoto Protocol is option number B, reduce the greenhouse gas emission, which is CO2. So main purpose is to control the emission of carbon dioxide gas. Next, what is the role of phytoplankton? What are phytoplankton? Microorganism, basically plant micro, which are found on the surface of water bodies. So what is the role of phytoplankton in the aquatic ecosystem? They act as primary producer. Option number B. Next, the term sustainable development refers to, so it refers to meeting present needs without compromising future generation. Next, the greenhouse effect is primarily enhanced by the industrial emission. Option number B. Next, which of the following is a consequence of global warming? So increased frequency of extreme weather events like floods, droughts, hurricanes, heat waves. So these are the consequences of global warming. Next one, which of the following practices can help mitigate climate change? Mitigate means to reduce little bit. So it is option number C, renewable energy adoption. So adopting the renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emission and help to mitigate the climate change impact. Next one, what is the impact of plastic pollution on marine life? So plastic can causes entanglement and ingestion hazards. Next, the major source of fresh water on earth, so it is glacier and ice caps. They store about 68.7% of earth's fresh water. What is the significance of biodiversity? So it ensure ecosystem and stability and resilience. Option number B is the right one. Next is, which of the following method can reduce air pollution? So it is option number C, use of public transportation. Next, what is the main objective of Montreal Protocol? So its main objective is to eliminate the ozone depleting substances. Next is, which type of waste is considered hazardous? So it is industrial, chemical or waste. Next, biological oxygen demand BOD is an important parameter of for assessing the water purity and pollution level. Option number B. What is BOD? BOD measures the amount of oxygen required by the microorganism to decompose the organic matter in water. High BOD indicates high level of pollution and poor water quality. Next one, chemical oxygen demand COD is used to determine the total organic and inorganic substances in the water. Option number A. So COD quantifies the total oxygen required for oxidizing both organic as well as inorganic substances in water. Next one, what does the term PAN stand for in environmental science? So it is peroxyacetyl nitrate. Option number A. It is a secondary type of air pollutant. Next, what is the primary source of nitrogen oxide in urban areas? So it is simply transportation. Next, what is the role of wetland in environment? So they serve as carbon sinks. Option number B. Wetland play a crucial role in sequestering carbon dioxide from atmosphere, thus helping to mitigate the climatic change. Which of the following is not a consequence of acid rain? So it is increased soil fertility. Acid rain do not increase the fertility of the soil. Next, what is the main objective of afforestation? Afforestation means restoring of the forest or plantation of trees. So it is option number C, to restore degraded lands and combat the climatic change. Next one, the term overfishing refers to, so it is harvesting the fish to the point of depletion, means over harvesting of the fish is called overfishing. Which of the following is a major consequence of climate change? So it is option number B, increased frequency of the natural disasters. Climate change contribute to increased frequency and intensity of the natural disasters such as floods, droughts, etc. Next, the term sustainability emphasizes, so it emphasizes on balancing environmental health, economic viability and social equity. Option number B. Next one, what is the purpose of clean development mechanism CDM under Kyoto Protocol? So it is option number C, to allow developed country to invest in the emission reducing project in developing countries. Which of the following is a major contributor to indoor air pollution? So it is option number B, household cleaning products. Then the process of recycling primarily helps to, so it helps to conserve natural resources and reduce the landfill waste. Option number B. Which of the following best describe an ecological footprint? So it is option number B, the impact of individual or population on the environment. An ecological footprint measures the demand on Earth's ecosystem and compare it to the planet's ability to regenerate those resources, reflecting the sustainability practices. What is the main effect of heavy metals in the environment? So they can accumulate in the living organism and cause toxicity. Option number C. Next question, World Environment Day is celebrated on, so June 5, 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day. Next, Earth Day is observed on 22nd April, is celebrated as World Earth Day. International Day for Biological Diversity is observed on May 22. Option number A. World Water Day is celebrated on March 22. Next, International Day of Forests is celebrated on 21st March. Next, the Ramsar Convention is an international treaty focused on the conserving wetland. So Ramsar Convention किससे relate करती है? So it is related to the wetlands. The Clean Air Act in United States was enacted to regulate the air emission from stationary and mobile sources. Next, the Montreal Protocol is an international treaty aimed at protecting the ozone layer. Next, National Wetland Day is observed on 2nd February. Option number B. The Environmental Protection Act in India was enacted in 1986. Option number B. Next, World Soil Day is celebrated on December 5. World Soil Day. Next, International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies. It is September 7. Option number A. Last is the Paris Agreement is primarily focused on climate change mitigation. The Paris Agreement, adopted in 2015, aims to limit the global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius as compared to the pre-industrial level, with continuous committing to reduce greenhouse gas emission. So thank you.